Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be what I eat in a day, and I just wanted to thank Home Chef for sponsoring today's video. They have an amazing promotion going on right now to get $80 off of your first 4 boxes, so be sure to check out the links in the description box so you can get yourself an amazing deal on some Home Chef. Good morning you guys, welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be doing a full day of eating, essentially an eating vlog, showing you guys exactly what I'm eating. I'm going to try to pop in what my kids are eating as well. Excuse me, because you guys always ask what are they having. So I'm just making breakfast, as you can see, so we'll head over there and I'll show you guys what we're having. So I am having 1 egg with egg whites. Here are the egg whites. I like to use the 1 egg for the healthy fats and all those, but then I get the extra protein from these egg whites. I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. This is a medium roast, but the dark roast of this Green Mountain coffee is so good. So I'm going to have that and probably going to have a banana with that. And then the kids over here, I had some orange juice that I needed to clear out, so gonna have that as their fruit serving. And then they have a bagel and scrambled eggs. It's just a blueberry bagel with a little bit of cream cheese on top. So that's what we are having for breakfast. So in the morning, I always prepare my water bottle for the day, and I have been loving these True Lime and Lemon packets. I actually found the best price to be on Amazon, so I will link them if you guys want to try them. But the ingredients are right there. It's just crystallized lime, and 1 packet gives the taste of 1 wedge. And there are a lot of packets, so it's a lot more cost effective than putting like real fresh fruit in your water. So been loving these. So we just finished up at Trader Joe's. We actually had a little homeschool field trip there this morning, and they were so generous and so sweet to give each kid a little bag with a few little goodies inside. So they're gonna have their morning snack. What are you guys gonna have? Do you know? Yes. Let's see. So here, hand that to me. So these are the Peel Away Fruit Leather buttons, the organic and grape mango. So that's what. We've had this before. And then the little hedgehog cookies, they love those too. Oh, some chips. All right, so they're gonna have their Trader Joe's snack. I'm gonna hold out until I get home, but I just wanted to show you guys. So the kids are working on their school, and it is kind of like mid-morning. I think it's around 10:30. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this protein bar. I get these ones at Sam's Club, and I like these ones a lot better than the other ones that they have. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this to hold me over until lunch. So today's video is sponsored by Home Chef. You guys know I have been working with them for a long time, and they continue to wow me with their delicious meals. Tonight we're going to be having chicken with mushroom gravy and garlic green beans. All of your stuff from Home Chef will come in these packages. The meat is always kept separate, of course. So I have all my ingredients out just to show you guys. So we've got the green beans, all the different things. So this was what was in here. So I get 2 of them to feed my family. And then of course the chicken is in the refrigerator. So I already know what I'm having for dinner for this what I eat in a day, but these all come with the instructions for you. And I'm really excited about this one because it says that the prep and cook time is no longer than 35 minutes. So that's gonna work out great for a busy day like today. So if you guys want to check out Home Chef, I have an amazing offer down in the description box where you will get $80 off your first order. So be sure to take advantage of that because that is something that is not going to last forever. So now you guys already know what I am having for dinner today, but I will show you once it's all prepared. All right, so it is lunch, and today I am making my kids a turkey mozzarella pesto grilled cheese. So I just take a little bit of this Trader Joe's pesto on the inside of the bread, and you can see it's melting down. I was out of sliced cheese, so just improvising with the mozzarella, but and then just a little bit of butter in there for them because they're kids and butter is good for them. And then they're gonna have a salad with balsamic on the side, And I am preparing this for tomorrow. This is actually not what I'm eating today. That is for a park picnic we're gonna have tomorrow, but I figured I'd get it ready. This is the dressing they're gonna use, and then this just happens to be the salad mixture that we're using today. I, on the other hand, am going to have a meal prep right here. It's some shredded salsa chicken that I did in the crock pot last night with a little bit of vegetarian refried beans, and I'm gonna mix that in with this romaine lettuce, and it's gonna be like a little taco bowl. So that is what we are having for lunch. You guys always ask for recipes. I'm not a huge recipe person, so truly what this chicken is it's just a cup of water, chicken breast in the crock pot, and an entire jar of salsa and green chilies. I cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours and then drain it and shred it, and then that's what we had for dinner last night, but then I'm going to use the rest of it for lunch today. So I'm getting ready to go to the gym, and so I am going to scoop out 1 scoop of this chocolate peanut butter protein with almond milk in my protein shaker for after I work out. I just shake it up with a mixer ball because my blender is packed, but it's even better blended with a few ice cubes. And then for snack, the kids are going to have these Nature Valley protein bars. I love this protein. It's not sponsored. I just love it. I always get this. As a matter of fact, I have 2 more up here. The white chocolate peppermint and the mint chocolate chip are so good. So yeah, that's my post-workout protein shake, and I don't add anything else to it, just the protein to help with muscle recovery and hold me over until dinner. And then, like I said, the kids are going to have this. If you guys want to check out this protein, I'll have a link down below for you guys because it's really, really, really good. As you can see, there's lots of really good stuff in it. Now, like I said, it's not sponsored. It's just what I like. So I'll leave that down for you guys if you want to check it out. All right, guys. So for dinner, like I showed you, we are having the Home Chef chicken with mushroom gravy. So I am searing the chicken breast and the green beans are roasting. So that is what we are going to be having for dinner. So I'll show you guys dinner once it's all plated up. But one thing that I love so much about Home Chef is that the dishes are minimal. I'm going to use 1 pan in the oven and 1 pan on the stove to make this amazing looking meal that I would have never come up with on my own. And so it's just really nice to not have to make a disaster in your kitchen. So that is what I am having for dinner. I am going to also give this to the kids just by slicing a chicken breast in half, and then that's enough for our whole family. So I will show you guys dinner once it's all plated up. All right, guys, so here is the finished product. It looks so delicious, and I think I did a pretty decent job. So here's the picture, and here's mine. I think I did a pretty good job. So thank you again to Home Chef for sponsoring today's video. I can't wait to eat this dinner. It looks so good, high in protein, and right up my alley. All right, you guys, so the last thing I'm going to be having today for this, what I eat in a day, is a cup of my favorite tea. I love this. I drink it almost every single night. And then this is something I don't have every night, but I got these in that Trader Joe's little gift bag, and they sound amazing. And so I'm going to treat myself tonight. So that's what I'm going to have. And I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I eat in a day. Maybe you got some good meal ideas. Like I said, check out the Home Chef link because that discount is not going to last forever. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.